For the car interior accessories, I'm stop thinking about to make some sticker which just for direction. This time for INEOS Grenadier, I gained the experience from the new Defender. Keep thinking about to make some useful parts which can satisfy the car owner when they go off-road and they go camping with families. So I'm thinking about to make some storage stuff and also the brackets which can be hold the car bottle and also the phone. When we go outside, we can use the phone holder to help us for GPS. And this is a storage box. So we make the demo one, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this and where's the position to put the storage box. It's very interesting one, and we can find the chain. This we use very high quality one. It's very smooth, and this is a leather style. We can hang on my hand when we go outside from our house. I can put some stuff, something like the chocolate, something like candies, or something useful parts, tools inside of the box, and I can hang on and carry easily. On the other hand, I'm thinking to make it a different space, then we can put it more organization. That's my thinking. And this big space, let me show you how to use it. So from the factory, we can find that there coming a two pack, which like this one, but I think it's very weird because it's need to use the tire to hang on it. When we open it, there coming some tools. There's some straws inside, something like this, but it's not good to put on the car because we need to use this tile and hang out from there. It's very easy when you get a brake on the car, it will be moved. So I'm thinking we can put the tools inside of our storage box. That's just one option. And this is much easy for you to make sure what kind of parts you put in the storage box, so easy to help you to remember it. So after we lock it by the chain, it's not heavy because it's strong enough for the wheeling. So here is the position for put the storage box. We can just move it inside. It's perfect, and it's easy to get it outside when we want to find some things. So this is one option. And in the future, if you want to do some customized with your logo, we can support to the ODM to make it some thin leathers with your logos inside. So this is one piece for one side. Both passenger side and the driver side have this storage box. If you have any interesting questions and other stuff for the storage accessories inside of the car, just leave me comments.